Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So many of you guys have asked me to show you some examples of websites that were built using Newsomatic, for example, or by other plugins that I created. And today I will be showing you a website where you will be able to find sites that were built using Newsomatic, using other plugins, and also you will be able to enter a website and to query installed plugins and the theme that it is using. So this will be a great resource for you guys, and let me show you how it works. So the website name is themesinfo.com. It is not my site, I just found it and I found it really great. And let me show you how it works. So you will have here listed some themes, some plugins, and you can click on any of them. So let's click on Divi, for example, and here you will see example sites that were built using this theme. So this can be done for plugins also. So if we click here plugins, we can click on contact form 7, for example, and we will find example sites that use this plugin. And if we go to plugins and search for Newsomatic, we will find also Newsomatic here, and we will have 144 websites in the websites database which use Newsomatic, and you can go ahead and browse and get some website ideas from here of guys and websites that use Newsomatic to create their content. So here they are. You will have a great selection of websites to browse from, and yeah, you can check what was built so far using Newsomatic. So yeah, for example, let's click on an example site here, and we can go ahead and browse things here. So okay, so let's visit a random one. Let's see if pnects.com. Okay, so it seems that it changed since then. Okay, so anyway, the screenshots will tell you how it looked when the website detected Newsomatic on this site. Okay, so now let me show you another feature of this website. So we can go to this menu, to WP Detector, and I have here an example website, and let's enter its URL here and hit detect. After a short processing time, the website will show us which theme was used to build the website we searched. Will show its version, will show its link and where it can be found, and also plugins installed on the website. So it has Jetpack, Yoast, Contact Form 7, and Google Analytics. Also some domain info, IP, host name, service provider, name servers, and so on. So I hope you will find this website interesting. Go ahead and browse it, and you will find some info about websites you query. Also, if you have some WordPress plugins in your mind, you can check here its database about other sites that use these plugins. So let's see Elementor, for example, who is using Elementor, and let us get some ideas from them. So yeah, this is a really great website. Go ahead guys, I will link in this video's description where you can find this site. I hope this video helps, And as always, until next time, please subscribe to this channel. It is really appreciated. I create new videos each day at 7 p.m. GMT, so hit also the bell notification to get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Until then, until next time, have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.